Today I will be showing you how to connect your Wix store to Shiptheory. Navigate to the Wix app market and find the Shiptheory app. Hit Add to Site. From here, you can select the store you're wanting to connect to Shiptheory. This guides you to either sign up for your free Shiptheory trial account or to just log into your existing Shiptheory account. Once you've logged in with your current or your new credentials, you will be redirected to your Wix settings page within Shiptheory. Make sure you click Test Connection to begin with. This is to ensure that the connection has been successfully made. If this is all good to go, head over to the Manage Carriers page. Choose from one of the many carrier integrations that we have. You can search the carriers you already have an account with and hit the Configure button. You can now enter your account credentials. Usually you will know these as they're just your account number, etc. But if not, your account manager at your courier company will be able to supply them to you. Test the connection. This means you're ready to start shipping with Wix and Shiptheory. Go back to your Wix store and find one or multiple orders you're ready to ship. As long as these orders are marked as paid, when you arrive back to your Shiptheory dashboard on the tab that says All, these shipments will be sat in the status Ignored. Shiptheory can ignore doing anything with your shipments until you tell it to. This means you can manually book your shipments in. Click into the shipment and you'll be able to see all the customer information from Wix, the short journey the shipment has been on so far, and the products within the shipment. Scroll back to the top of the page, select your carrier, select your service, and hit Create Label. A PDF file of your label will be created, allowing you to print to a printer of your choice. So your shipment is now booked with your carrier, and your tracking number will have been returned back to the order in Wix. You can set Shiptheory up to be fully automated, so you don't even have to select a carrier and service every time. Head over to the Shipping Rules page in Shiptheory and add a new rule. You can have as many or as little shipping rules as you like. Your shipping rules are just a reflection of your shipping habits, and they can be set up around the SKU, weight, recipient country, and the list goes on. As an example, if I was to hit recipient country is in United Kingdom, that would mean every shipment that comes through from Wix going to the UK will automatically book in with the carrier and service I've selected. Make sure you download the Shiptheory print client for your labels to print out automatically as well. This just runs in the background of your desktop, meaning as soon as your Wix orders that are marked as paid arrive into Shiptheory, they'll match up to a shipping rule, book in with the required carrier and service, automatically print out the label, and return the tracking number all within a matter of seconds. And there you have it. How to automate your shipping with Wix, brought to you by Shiptheory.